All right. This recording is for September 2nd and September 3rd, both A and B days. Today we had a lot to do. We are talking about the My Name story by Sandra Cisneros, and we're talking about some assignments we have to get done. So let's take a look at what you will need today. Your ELAR notebook and your SSR book, your mind powered up and ready to work and learn. Learning targets for today. Get caught up and turn in all your missing assignments by checking in Skyward. Use reputable websites to research your name and keep your notes organized in your ELAR notebook. Today, in the last 20 minutes of class, you will read your SSR book and complete your chart, comprehension, making connections, and writing a summary. Don't forget to check your grades in Skyward and Google. Get all caught up. Warm up today is in Google Classroom. I'll show that to you in a minute. We'll switch over to that real quick. Go into your Google Classroom. In classwork, you will see it says Quick Write right here. Quick Write. Click it. This was a timed writing assignment. It took we gave 5 minutes. Have you ever wished you had a different name? If so, what name? Why? For 5 minutes, write, and at the end of 5 minutes, write how many lines you were able to come up with and then turn it in. The reason why we had that assignment is because we looked at our annotations from Tuesday and we finished annotating the story and we read the whole 5 paragraph. So if you look at it, I asked you guys to annotate every paragraph, highlighting important words, and then commenting in a different font for each paragraph. So today in class, we talked about how she didn't like her name. She was named after her grandmother. Her grandmother got married and her life was never the same. Her grandmother was mad because she never got to do what she wanted. And Esperanza decides she might have her grandmother's name, but she's not going to end up like her. So in the end, she changes her name. And so I wanted you guys to write about that. In the beginning of the story, she doesn't like her name, and at the end, she wants to change it. Esperanza wants to be free and powerful, not like her grandmother. So we did that today in class. We took quite a long time on that. We read some of the quick writes, and then we went to the timed reading. And trying to get there. The SSR chart. That's not it. Tuesday. Thursday. I must have moved it. This goes up here. All right. Your job today, after you read for 15 minutes, was to complete the SSR chart. Name, title of book, author, pages you read, genre, date. I wanted you to write about imagery in the first box, vocabulary in the second box, and at the bottom, complete a summary. Somebody wanted but so then. This should be turned in. There are a total, I think, of 7 assignments that will be going out for the progress report next week. The collage, the thank you ma'am summary, the I am poem, the my name interview, the quick write, the SSR chart. I think there's one more. Okay, so in your ELAR notebook, you're supposed to set up your notebook in classwork. You're supposed to create a T-chart, and you're going to get information about your zodiac sign and then information about your name on the other. In this website, this right here, if you were born in 2007, you click here and find out about the fire pig. If you were born in 2008, you click here and find out about the rat. And if you want to research your name, you click here and just type your name at the top. If your name is Jennifer, you look it up and you'll find out all kinds of information. When it was popular, names that go with Jennifer, famous people named Jennifer, Jennifer Aniston. There's lots of Jennifers actually. Very popular name. Popularity of the name, it was popular in the 1970s, 1990s. And like I said, you would just write your information on here. If you were born in 2008, you would just read about their strengths and weaknesses and just tell me if those agree, if you line up with that. So at the end of the class, we read for a little while, sustained silent reading, and then finished the SSR chart. And just some reminders, it's a 3-day weekend. You have Monday off. Tuesday when we come back, it will be a B day. Tuesday, we will start writing the final draft of the essay, My Name. All grades should be in by Friday, tomorrow night. I'm going to update all my grades over the weekend. I will be making parent phone calls for anyone who's failing. And I had a great class today with you guys. I love to read your quick writes. I think we're finally in the zone. We're getting work done. We're about to write our first formal piece of writing. And everything's going really well. So thank you for everything. I'll see you guys on Friday if you're my A day and Tuesday if you're my B day. Bye.